make the Christmas star, you need 10 bamboo sticks of equal length. These are 19 inches long. You also need 5 small sticks. These are 2.5 inches long. Some thread to tie them. You can also use some rubber band if you like. Some colorful tissue papers. Glue to stick them, and a pair of scissors and a small knife. First, we can make the shape of a star with the 5 of these sticks. Now we can tie all the corners together. You can use the rubber band or the twine. We can tie these sticks together with the thread also to make it stable. Our first star is ready. We can do the same thing with the other 5 pieces too. Our both stars are ready. Now we are going to put them together, one on top of the other. The inner side of the bamboo should be facing each other. Let's tie them together at the corners. We tied both stars together. Now we are going to separate them in the middle with these small 5 sticks. Remember, these were 19 inches long and these are 2.5 inches long. So when you separate them with these small sticks, it gives the star a 3-dimensional shape. Now is the time for decorating the star. You can use your color choice. I'm going to use this golden paper to cover the entire star. First, we can put some glue around this center part. We can cut the extra pieces off from all the sides. So one side is done. So we can do the same with the other side too. We are done with the front and the back. Now we need to cover the sides. So I cut out one triangular shaped piece to cover one side. We need 10 of these, but we are leaving one side open to put the light bulb. So you need 9 pieces like this to cover the sides. We have done covering all the sides also, as you can see, but I left one corner open for the light bulb to go in. Now we can do some decoration for the corners. We can cut out some papers like this. We can stick them to each corners. Before we put the last piece of the decoration on the corner, we need to make a tie to hang the star on the pole. We are all done with putting the Christmas star together. Now we can hang it on a bamboo pole. You can glow the star with the electric bulb, or you can even use some tea lights.